Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we are just kicking it back, taking it easy, and doing a good old-fashioned mini haul unboxing. Yay! I haven't done one of these in quite a while and I got a few packages in, so if you're ready, then I'm ready. So let's get started. Before we dive into what goodies I have, I do want to say welcome to all of our new family members. For those of you who may not be familiar with me yet, my name is Leah Garrett and I am a cruelty-free makeup and beauty reviewer. I am a makeup enthusiast, not a makeup artist. I'm also a plus-size beauty and a PNH and ITP fighter. If you want to know more about those two diseases, there are videos down below that you can check out. So, I just wanted today just to be an easy kickback day. For those of you who were just on my IG live, thank you so much for joining me. We had a lot of fun. We talked makeup, we talked tea, we talked about a bunch of stuff. What's going on here? Okay. And I did my makeup. I was going to go for a simple look and this happened. I was just gonna go for just a light orange with a little bit of sparkle, but then I was like, oh, I need to define the crease, and then the liner happened, and then I was like, oh, I need to put more brown into it, and bam, full glam. Even got the sparkle going on. This is the shade 24 Carat from Hypnose Cosmetics. It is so gorgeous. So I have a few packages here that I figured we just unboxed. I haven't done an unboxing for a mini haul in a while, so I figured why not? Let's just kick it back, take it easy, especially since Tuesday's video was so long. So yeah, let's go ahead and dive on in. Alright, first thing we got is from Amazon, and I actually know what this is. Let me get my scissors, otherwise known as scissors. Like I said, I actually know what this is. This is one of my new wigs that I've purchased. I purchased two of them. And this is one of them. The other one is on its way still. And it's very pretty. And this is what she looks like. She is a dark pink peachy wig. She's really pretty. I order from Pro Beauty on Amazon. That's where I get my wigs from. They are so amazing. They're super fast. They're so pretty, and they're just really good when it comes to getting like inexpensive wigs. So I do highly recommend them. If you've been following my Halloween looks on Instagram, you will see I have a teal wig and a mint green wig. That's where I purchased them from, the same place. So pretty cool. All right, next package we got is from Twisted Wonderland Perfumery, and I know what this is, and I'm so excited. I am so excited to get this. It actually came really quick. She had a really good turnaround time for this. For those of you who saw my, oh, it smells so good. Just the package smells amazing. For those of you who saw my Pandora's box unboxing, y'all know, and I brought this downstairs just so I could tell y'all. Y'all know I went crazy over this scent of this scrub. And it's basically just called Morgan Le Fay. And it's just so, oh, it's so, I just gotta smell it. So good. Well, I messaged her and asked her if there was any way that I could get it like in a body spray or perfume. She said, yeah, just pick what you want, put in Morgan Le Fay, and I know what notes to put in. And now I have a body spray in Morgan Le Fay. I am so excited. Oh, it smells so good. I love it. I'm very picky when it comes to my scents, but that just smells amazing. Oh, what else? And then I have a soap called Necronomicon. Look at that imprint of that soap. Ain't that so cute? I gotta see what that other package is. Oh, this smells really good. I'm gonna have to pop the notes of it at the bottom of the screen for you guys. But this smells really good. Alright, I am going to put this stuff up and I'll be right back. For those of you who may not be on my Facebook, shame on you. The Hubster bought me a unicorn Christmas ornament. He surprised me with it. It's so cute. I think I'm gonna keep him around for a while. What do y'all think? I'll keep him around. All right, next we have a package from Colourpop. I think I remember what I got. Y'all know I got mad medicine brain. It's bad. It's really bad. Okay, the card says, "You spice up my life." Okay. All right. First item is one of their Super Shock shadows. Y'all know I love these things, especially to use for colored brows. This is... It's getting off my finger. Okay. If you guys ever wanted to go into like the colored brow route, but you don't want to use like regular eyeshadow, Super Shock shadows are really good for it because they're also inexpensive as well. And they're not as intense as a brow pomade is. You know, like the Kat Von D colored pomades, those are really intense. But if you want something that you could start off really subtle and then build up, the Colourpop Super Shock shadows are perfect for colored brows. This is what I use when I do colored brows. This is the Disney Designer Collection Under the Sea for Ariel. Ooh, she's pretty. I love the... Ooh! That is super... Ooh, look at that. Bouncing off my light. That is super pretty. Ooh, I like that. That is gorgeous. That's real pretty. I like that. Okay, then I got one of their Luxe lipsticks. I have not tried their bullet lipsticks yet, but I wanted to give one a go. And this one is in the color Aeronaut. Ooh, this packaging is nice. It's nice and heavy. Is this one of those ones? Why did they do that? Is this one of those ones that are magnetic? No, it's a clicky one. Ooh, nice duck. Ooh, it's got stars imprinted in it. I don't know if you guys can see it. I believe this is the black. Yep. That's really pretty. I really wanted a black bullet lipstick. I have black liquid lipsticks, but I really wanted a bullet lipstick. And every time I come over, Bella is like, "You got a black bullet lipstick yet?" And I'm like, "No, Bella." All right. I bought the All-Star Matte and Blur Face Setting Spray. Try this out. It smells so good. It's got a lovely citrus smell to it. So good. I'm going to try this out, see how this works. And of course, I had to buy another bottle of the primer. But I had to buy another one. I thought I bought two, but I guess I only bought one. No, you're just fall on the floor. So, yeah. I'm going to put this away, and I'll be right back. We got another box from Amazon, and I have no clue what this is. To tell y'all the truth. Oh, is this my other wig? I am really stoked over this. My other wig came in. This wasn't supposed to come until November, but hey, I'll take it. And this one is red. I like this color. Really, really pretty. Ariel red. Really pretty. Okay, we got a box from Beautylish. I love shopping at Beautylish. I'm telling y'all, don't be sleeping on their payment plan. Really good. Especially if you just want to like splurge. You can pay the payment plan off as soon as you want. You can have them extended day as long as you, I think you have to let them know like 48 hours ahead of time the payment's supposed to come out. Beautylish is bomb. I love Beautylish. All right. Looks like we got a sample in this bag. They always give you a sample too. Pretty cool. All right, what we got? Oh, it's a Caudalie. Caudalie is not cruelty-free. So, I think I'm going to give this to my sister. Because she has been having problems with dark spots. See if this works for her. Yeah, because Caudalie is not cruelty-free. But I will give that to my sister. Yeah, she'll like that. My older sister. Alright. I did buy lippies. Because I actually have to stock up on, I had to stock up on 2, and then I bought a couple more. I have to say the tissue paper. My mom, for some reason, loves the black tissue paper. I used it for one of my niece's birthday parties. She's like, oh my god, where did you get black tissue paper from? I was like, from Beautylish. She's like, save me. I was like, okay, Ma. I love my mom. Okay. So, the 2 shades I had to restock on are Drug Lord and Dirty Money from Jeffree Star, because doing my Halloween looks with them, I don't have much left. So, yeah. And then I bought the shade Jawbreaker. I want to try this out as a liner, see how it looks. And then I purchased the new ABH Metallic Liquid Lipstick Set. I am so stoked over this. Let's swatch it. Should we swatch it? Yeah, let's swatch it. And the first shade we have is Mai Tai. Ooh, that's pretty. There's no smell to it. Cops are going out. Cops are riding away. It's nasty outside. It's like cold and rainy. It's gross. The second shade is Phantom, which actually, when I saw the swatches of this on Trend Mood, this is the shade that sold me on the set. Be still, my beating heart. Whew. That is pretty. I can't catch my breath. And the last shade we have is Blizzard. Ooh, that'll be a pretty topper. There it is right there. It does have a pink shift to it. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera, but in person it does have a pink shift to it. So yeah, I'm going to clear all this up and we'll go to the last box. And my nose is like... And for the last box we have, my forehead itches. For the last box we have, it is from, it is from Ulta. Gotta have an Ulta box. First off, we have some of these things. Alright. Ugh, Clinique. Ugh, gross. Get out of here. Alright. First off, we have, this is NYX's, this is not, it does have a wrapper on it. This is a part of NYX's holiday collection. It is their Sugar Trip Squad palette. And I'm going to try this out in a review soon. I also purchased the Paradise Fluff Ombre highlighter, which is part of, it's called Head in the Clouds. It's part of the holiday line too. I want to get 2 more pieces of the holiday line, so then I'll have like a full set of them. This is all I got? I got some other stuff. I guess I didn't. Oh well. I also bought some Bliss makeup remover wipes. I want to try these out because Bliss was buy one get one half off. And then I want to try these refreshing body wipes from Bliss. They're lemon and sage, and they have natural deodorant in it. And I want to tell you why I want to try these. As you guys know, I am a plus size girl, and that stigma of plus size women and bigger men, smelling is the worst. I hate that stigma. But sometimes it can be true. Depending on situations and depending on, how your body, is with perspiration and everything like that, it does happen sometimes. And it's not just for bigger people. It happens to skinny people as well. But I have been noticing lately that I have been having issues with it, even though I will shower that day. There are certain areas that, have been causing me some problems, and I don't like to stink. I cannot do it. I have to smell good all the time. I cannot stink. So I want to try these out to see if this helps me. I'm keeping it real here. So there are 30 wipes that come into this package, and I want to see if they work, and if they do, I'll keep buying them and let you guys know how they are, because you can also use these for, like, if you go to the gym and you're sweaty after the gym and you don't have time to go home and take a shower, you can just use these. So I really want to try them. They do say they are aluminum free, by the way, for those of you who are against any aluminum. These are aluminum free. And that is all that I have for you guys today. Don't forget to pick up your Piper and Poppy Melissa Leah Garrett skincare collaboration set. The original set will be going bye-bye next week. So this will be your last weekend to get the original box, because next week we are going to be rolling out the new box. It'll be Melissa Leah Garrett Piper and Poppy Designs 2.0. So, also, do not forget to get your Texas House of Glitters Melissa Leah Garrett palette. Just look how beautiful this is. It's beautiful. Make sure you get it. All that information is down below in the description bar for you guys to purchase that as well. And yeah, don't forget, you can always follow me on Facebook at facebook.com/Melissa Leah Garrett, on Snapchat as Melissa Leah 1223, and on Instagram as Melissa Leah Garrett. Come on over. We have fun on those pages as well. I do not, however, have a Twitter account. So if you see one with my face and this gorgeous smile, report it because it's fake. Also, if that subscribe button is red, it's the wrong color. You need to change it. And don't forget to share this channel out to everyone as well. And while you're at it, go ahead and hit that notification bell, because unfortunately, YouTube was destined to make that bell a thing. That way you know when I'm posting. Even though we all know I'm mainly posting Tuesdays and Fridays. I love you all so much, and I will see you on Tuesday. Bye! Shirt made me look like I got big man shoulders. I think we're good. I think we're good to go. I'm gonna get that outro and get ready to choke. Ooh, these actually smell really good. I'm kind of excited to try these.